Hello once again, audience. This is Rolliver HD Gaming here, and here's a quick update. My Elgato got it for Christmas. Should be uploading a few videos today, and I'm going to do an unboxing video now. So what I'll do is I'll just put you down here, and yeah, let's do this. Might need scissors. Right. There we go. Right, that's that bit off. Put that in the bin. Right. Like there, you can see this or not. Just a rough wee thing here. Right. How do I open this? Maybe it's this bit. No, I didn't guess. I didn't want to force it in, so I'm not going to do it. Well, this is failing epically. Okay, what to do? Pull this bit out. There we go. Put that bit out. Should be able to slide or pull. Right, that's that bit off. Right. Open this up. There's the Elagto over here. It's actually very compact. I'm surprised on that. But how to actually get in on the other side, that's the problem. Didn't I know how to do it on the other side? I'll just tell you what to do. So, take this out and aha, got it. Pull this out. Here's our cable. So this is the component cables. This looks like the PS3 cable. This one looks like the computer cable. Yeah. And this one's the HDMI cable. So very light. It looks quite easy to set up actually. So hopefully we'll get some videos up soon. And thanks for watching. Elagto. Boom. Right. See you later.